Hi, hello, children. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well and you are preparing for the examination of your class studies. Whatever it's upcoming is like exam in the month of March, I think next month. Okay, so parallelly we can just understand this as I discussed yesterday. So I will try to explain you all the questions in English itself because the questions will comes in English and it's better you to understand. ರೂರಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರ ನೀವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಗಣಿತನ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಕಲೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು ನವೋದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ come back to the discussion. Okay, what I was explaining about the Navodaya is, as I discussed yesterday, there will be a total 80 100 questions. Okay, so as I told you, so you will be having a questions 1 to 50. It's for a mental ability test, and the 51 to 75 is for arithmetic test, and 76 to 100, that is a language test. So these are the questions you will be getting in the examination. So what we are planning now is we'll do or discuss this later, because these questions are belongs to all pictures. That means one question picture they will give and four options they will be provided in the right side, and all three may not be fit in the question figure. So the fourth one or any one question out of four, the one figure will be matched to this, that you have to match. So it won't be a much risky job. It's a clearly analysis with mental ability or having some idea. You can able to judge or finalize which the figure is going to match with the question figure. That we'll discuss later. The critical part in the question paper is the middle one, which I was discussing about 51 to 75. This is arithmetic test. This arithmetic test is related to your curriculum, what you have studied, maybe 4 to 10th. That is 4th standard to SSLC till SSC. So I will segregate all the questions from those textbooks and I will explain you with these mental, arithmetic questions related. So that time easily you can understand, and if you need more clarification, you can go and refer your books. Most of the questions I have taken from government schools. Some examples I have taken from CBSE, ICSE also. It's a private school and international schools, what you will call it as. So these all I have taken. So I will do it one by one the questions, and similarly I will take you through the examples also, which is there in your textbook. So where you will be understand easily. I won't do with very fast. I will do it very slow, very systematic way, very easiest way, where you can go, where you can understand and you can adapt, and later you are going to be answer in the examination. So that is my motto. So what I am going to teach now, you should be understand and analyze properly. If you are unable to understand, then you watch my video, this YouTube Anubhava Sara once again. That's why I have written the top of this details Anubhava Sara. It's my YouTube channel, and what we are discussing is Navodaya, that I have written in Kannada and English. And today date is 8 Feb 23. Okay, let's begin with the first question. What is there in 2010? I hope I have cleared all this. We'll start from here. We will learn this maybe 1 month. 1 month we will go through all these questions for 10 years, and we will go with this later. And this is like a passage. It may not be take a time, and they may give any kind of stories where you can analyze and answer it. Okay, this is not much difficulty if you can able to understand the English word and you can able to read the passage. Here, as I told you, the mental ability questions will be very tricky. You have to analyze the pictures and you have to decide which is matching for the questions. Okay, let's begin with 51. Right, the question paper is, which I am going to start with, 2010. Children, as I told you, now I am going to start with 2010 question. Okay, so the question is like this. The first question what they are saying is, difference of greatest number of 7 digit. Let's 51 from 2010. I'll just write the question. DIFFERENCE. Okay. Difference of greatest. Difference of greatest number of 7 digits. Number of 7 digits. I'll make this underline because questions is here itself. The entire question, what they are asking. 7 digits to the smallest number. To the smallest number of 8 digits. So here is the 2 points. What difference we are finding here is greatest number of 7 digits to the smallest number of 8 digits. That means we are subtracting from here to here. Then whatever we are going to get the answer, that will be the answer. Okay. So before going to the option, I'll teach you what is this exactly into. What is 7 digit and what is 8 digit numbers, which is smallest and which is greatest. So we'll begin with the 2 digit number. Okay. I'll take you through one by one. Fine. Smallest 2 digit number is smallest 2 digit number. I won't write full. Okay. I'll write small because there's a number of details out there. That's why. Small 2 digit number is 10. Greatest 2 digit number is okay 99. Similarly, small 3 digit is comes after this 100, and greatest 3 digit number is comes 2 nines here, triple nines. I'll make it little bigger. Small 2 digit is 10, 3 digit is 100, greatest number 2 digit is 99, 3 digit is triple nine. That is 999. Okay, I'll take you through one by one. So if you go with smallest 4 digit number after 999, it comes 1000. This is a 4 digit smallest number. So then what will be the end here? You may guess. Okay, 4 digit will be, it comes 4 nines. That means 9999. So here 3 digit, here 4 digits. Sorry, here 4 digit is 4 digit smallest number, which is 1000. 4 digit biggest number is 9999. Okay. So we'll understand with the fifth one. The fifth one is the next to this number. 9999 means it's a 10,000. Correct? So this 10,000 is greatest with 5 digit number is, you can think, you can add just 1 9. See, maths, you have to make it very simple as that. Don't make it conflict. You just try to understand and analyze. I'll explain you later one by one. Just to analyze what is exactly increasing here as a greatest numbers increasing by 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you can understand increasing by 2, 3, 4, 5 in the smallest number. What exactly is happening? I'll explain you how you can find out whenever it comes the 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit till 8 digits. We'll understand one by one. I'll explain you. After finishing this one, I'll take you with the question. Because if you understand this thoroughly, then enter another 2010 to till 2022. Whatever I solve all the question papers, this one question definitely it will come 100%. There is no doubt at all. For that, you have to be very clear about this digits in the smallest number and greatest number. You should be very clear. That's why I'm explaining you each and everything with very slowly, where you can understand clearly. You might have not got a chance to learn in your class or school. Okay, fine. Let me go with next sixth digit. So sixth digit is comes more than one this. Here 10,000 is there. After 10,000, what you have to do? You have to add one more zero. That means here 40 is there. Here 50 is there. 50 is nothing but a 1 lakh. So here I will do remain the same. Okay. So 6 digit here 3 and 3. Here what I will do is I will just make it 6 digit 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to think, I'm not going to analyze, I'm not going to do anything. Blindly I just put it, I'm increasing one by one because I'm increasing here the digits. The same thing I'm going to do it here. Okay. So here 9,99,999. That means 1 lakh is the lowest and 9,99,000 is the highest. Let's understand with the seventh one. Seventh is it's a 10. How many zeros you should need? Here 3 to 5 is there. Here should come 6. So that means it's a 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. The similarly, what I will do is here I will go with how many digits? 7 digits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 digit. What I will do is here 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. So let's comes to the last point. What the question is expecting us to do that. What the point? So here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So here 336. Here we will get 7 zeros. 1 0 0. Okay. 1 CR. Okay. So this is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 CR. This is a 1 CR. So we'll go with 8 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits. Right. So 99 lakhs, 9 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. 9 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. Okay. So I have cleared all of your doubts. 2, 4, 6, 9, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Done. Okay. So I'll just make it little down. I hope you can understand each and everything. I'll just answer the same question next to this. Then definitely will understand easily. So that's what I was planning. Or else I'll explain here itself. There where you can understand easily. Okay. So the question is says what? Difference of greatest number of 7 digits to the smallest of 8 digits. So here what is the smallest of 8 digits? You should understand this. You should think this first. That's why I usually tell all the students read the questions properly. If you are unable to understand the question, read it twice because the questions will be slightly twisted or they may are asking in a different manner. So you should not be get confused. Fine. Let them ask questions in any type that, but you should understand very clearly what the questions has given and what exactly you understood. Okay. Here the points is 2. two different points. I'll tell you the highlights. The difference of greatest number 7 digit, that you have to understand these two. Okay, so I'll make it the different symbols to understand this. The smallest I'll make it 2. Here I'll make it 2. So that means greatest number 7 digit. Here greatest number 7 digit to the smallest number of 8 digit. Okay, let's will come here. What is the small number of 8 digit is here? Okay, 1 CR. It's a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 digit is nothing but a ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 1 CR. Okay, so this condition has been completed because smallest 8 digit number we have already written here. So what the question next condition says is greatest number of 7 digit, greatest number of 7 digit, then you should not come here. Your all greatest will be here only. Greatest number of 7 digits is how much? 3, 6 or 7. So there are 7 nines are there. Next we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is greatest is over, smallest is also over. The greatest number, smallest number. Greatest 7 digit, smallest 8 digit. So now we have clear. What we are going to do now? Now we are going to subtract. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Here how much? 9 is there. Here 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 0. Okay. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits are there. But as you understood or learned in the initially or basic mathematics, whatever comes 1 before or any number before zeros, it is not having a value. Okay, so whatever comes the next to the number, the 0 comes, that will be having a value. Okay, for this question the options will be like this. Options A, B, C and D. So option A is 10, option B is 1, option B is 1 and C is 101. Oh, B is here. Okay. B is 1, C is 101, D is 100. A is 10, C is 101, option B is 1, D is 100. So as per our discussion and what we have done now, so the answer will be what? The answer will be B. This is what we have done. Clear? So this is very simple method. That's what I am going to remind you and just repeat it once again. I'll make you to understand this question properly. Once again I'll explain one by one. Okay, how we have done. Done? Fine then. Let's come to the point. Difference of greatest number of 7 digits to the smallest number of 8 digits. The options are A is 10, C is 101, B is 1, D is 100. Clear? This is the question what we got now. So what we were doing before going to these questions or to understand this question, so we are understanding what exactly it is, how we can work with that. Okay. So what I have done here, I have explained you one by one from the started with small 2 digits to the bigger 8 digits. I'll explain how it works. 2 digits small means it says starts from 10 because after 9 is 10. So 9 is the single digit, done, and 10 is the big one, that is a 2 digit. Fine. So once you cross this 2 digit from 10 till how many numbers you can write? Till 99 only you can write, because if you cross this, the next number will be 100. The next number is comes in the third one, that means 3 digit number. Clear? Okay. So the n number of 2 digit is 99, that means it's a greatest number of 2 digit 99. If once you complete this, it will just the 2 digit will convert into 3 digit, that is a small 3 digit is equal to 100, which is having 3 numbers. Okay. Once you start writing 100, till how many numbers you can write? You can able to write only 999, because if you cross this again, your next number will be 1000, which will fall into the smallest category. Smallest category of 4 digit number. Understood? 4 digit number, after this it will comes. If you start again writing from 1002 till the end of the 4 digit number, again you will be getting a 9999. Similarly, once you complete the 4 numbers, if you go with next number, it comes here again 10,000. So that 10,000 will start as a 5 digit number, has a smallest digit. Understood? Once you complete this, then this will the greatest category. Once cross this limit, that it will fall into the category of smallest 5 digit number. Similarly, it's going to be end with 99,999. Once you complete this, again you will be fell into the category of small digit, that is a 6 digit number, that will be 1 lakh. Okay. So here 40 is there, here we'll start with 5 zeros. Yeah. So that's how it will follow the procedure. If once you finish this 5 digit number with 99,999, then the sixth smallest number will comes as 1 lakh, because you are completing the 5 digit number, which is greatest number is 99,999, and this is sixth one will start from 1 lakh, and the 1 lakh if you start writing, then it comes 9,99,999. Got it? 9,999,099. Okay. So this you will come across. That means your smallest 6 digit is over. This is the greatest 6 digit. Again, you will be coming into the category of small digit with the 7 digit number. The 7 digit number again follows with 10 lakhs, and it will be end with 99,99,999. Again, you will come into the 8 digit number, which we have a questions belongs to this. 8 digit number is nothing but a 1 CR, which is we'll call it as a 1 crore. That again 9 crore 99,000 99 lakhs 99,999. So this will be tens. Clear? So starts with the 2 digit and ending with the 8 digits, and 2 digit small number is this and big number is this. And once we get this kind of questions, what we'll do is the bigger number will write on the top. Most of the students, what they does is they will do the mistakes. What they does is they will ask the 7 digit, they will write it on the top, and 8 digit they will write in the below. So that is totally wrong. Always math says if you are going to subtract any kind of questions or any kind of numbers, the higher number should be in the top and the lower number should be in the below only. I will give a simple example. The simple example is, see, this is your higher number 10 and smaller number is 9. Anything will be there below 9 to 1. Okay. So you can subtract from 10 to 9. You cannot subtract from 9 to 10. This is impossible. As I told you, it's very clear. 9 is bigger than, not bigger than 10. It's a smaller than 10. That's why we cannot able to subtract. Here 10 is bigger than 9. That's why we can able to subtract. We will get 1 here. And this, the concept or mathematics in the arithmetic is the right. And this is the totally wrong, the way of doing the subtraction. That's how you should understand each and everything, because maths is like a very important, and it's very tricky, and it's very easy also. As I told you, comparing to other 5 or 6 subject what you are studying in the class, all subject will be really difficult to understand and the remember to the question and answer. But here nothing to remember, it's very easy. Question is here, logic is here, and if you know the digits of logic, then you can make it subtract and you will get the answer. As I told, and every time I used to tell my students, maths is nothing but a mirror. If you go and stand in front of mirror, what you can see? You can see only your body and your face. The same thing. Whatever will be there in your hand. Clear? So mirror is a, it's a mirror image only, maths. And maths I will call it as a m square. That is nothing but a maths the magic. So magic, how you can do it? If you know the basics, if you can able to understand the basics, if you can able to analyze the basics, if you remember all the logics, then you can make it maths and you will convert into magic. That's how I have done. Say, I know this basics. I know what is smallest stands for, what is biggest or greatest number stands for, which is stands for what number, and what they asked, which is what is the condition, which is greatest is 7, smallest is 8. That means where I have to put which is the greatest number, I have to put it in the top, and smallest number I have to put it in the down. That's why I'll get the answer is the proper. This is the method where you are going to use in the mathematics, not this. So mathematics is having a certain rules, and each and every questions will be having a its own method and strategy and the ideas with the tricks. Those all tricks I'll tell you. It's not a rocket science. You can understand easily, and I am expecting all of you to write out of 100 question only 80 to 90, not 100. I am not expecting that. If you can write at least 70 75, you will be get through in the Navodaya. You no need to write 100, because all of the students they never write as per my knowledge, because questions will be very tricky, and if you can able to understand also in your hurry or urgency, definitely will miss lot of things in mental ability. And here also, to not understand properly the conditions, what is greatest and what is smallest. I hope I'll close this session today, and as I believe, and I hope you all of you understood where was this, and I expect you to write in a proper way and make it one notebook as I suggested yesterday. You take one 200-page notebook and enter all the questions which is related and mention all the examples whatever mentioned, and you write it in the proper manner, because I have a less space. That's why I have mentioned this here, answer is here, option is here. What you can do is you write the question first, write the option next, and you just write the detail from smallest digit to 8 digit. You can write it in the top as a smallest digit starts from 2 to the greatest digit end with the 8 numbers, that you can write. And later what you can do is you start explaining this one by one, where when you open your book, textbook before your examination to revise, then you have to analyze and you can recall it as what exactly you have written on that day. You got my point, no? So try to work very smart, don't work hard, be smart and learn smart, and try to understand all the questions, and I'll make it your easy, very, your life is very easy, and I try to explain each and everything in a very easiest way. Don't worry, maths is not a rocket science. As I told you, I'll make it very clear like this. If I teach every day one questions also, I expect all of you to get thorough in this. I don't want you to skip one by one, and I am not in a hurry to complete all the question paper. If I teach 50 questions, that 50 questions should be you should be aware, and if you can able to answer out of 50 at least 45, then I feel this what I have done the effort, it's converted into result. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say, because I don't want anything hurry burry, and I don't want you to get the confusion when you are sitting in the examination, when you saw your question paper, you should not feel bad. Yes, I am aware, but I am getting confusion. I don't know what it is. I don't want you to get into that. That's why what I have done is I have solved only one question paper because it's little confusion are tough to understand from 2 digits small to the greatest 8 numbers. Clear? That's why I made you to understand this, and I have given a small example why we should go with this process, we should not go with this. This is a wrong. I hope I have cleared all your doubts and I have explained each and everything. And I believe you all of you are enjoyed the classes. And I suggest you and I expect all of you to refer some of your friends and you send this video to all of your friends to understand. And you just tell them the Anubhava Sara is the YouTube channel where you can get exact and thorough knowledge about the mathematics from the basics. This I may teach again in the government school, but I'll teach in a different way. I'll explain in a different way. That is a class session. This is my private session. What I'm going to teach from my place. Clear? So if you have any doubts, you can send me in your comment and try to send all the your friends relatives who are staying in the villages, because I expect the rural guys should be come up in their life and they have to get a good education. That's because of that reason I'm doing all this effort, because urban students you may be having a lot of facility to get the chance to understand or going for a tuition and all, and rural guys they will be having very difficulty and they may be not having much money to invest for the tuition. So that's why I am just doing small favor from my end. I expect all of you to send this link or inform them to log in the Anubhava Sara and subscribe. N number of people, let them go with each and every corner of the Karnataka and each and every corner of the India also. But I prefer first Karnataka. The poor people or poor students who are studying in the rural, let them they can come up in their life, and later it urban people they can also utilize this opportunity if they are not aware of this. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Keep watching and come up with questions if you have anything. What I'll do is I'll try to explain you more and more. I'll come up with a different example. Tomorrow I'll teach you one or two questions with the same manner, with a different example, with your textbook details how I have written this. These are all there in your textbooks, maybe fourth or fifth standard. Just go through once and refer it. Okay, thank you, bye.